All right, back we go for some more videos today. January 27th, Wednesday. The market's still going. It's 3 o'clock. I had this call on NAKD. Look back at my videos. I called this at 34 cents. And look where it is one now. I posted on StockTwits. Let me show you the video. If I can bring it up right here. Let's scroll back. Let's get to the NAKD part. If you're not following my technical analysis or I'm calling out these plays. You're crazy. Trying to find that. Let's see, NA NAKD. Where's it at? Right here. There it is. Right here. Let's get to it. This was when it was 34 cents. This was January 10th. See, plays don't happen just one day. They build up. There's a reason why they happen. This was at 10, moved to 15, moved to 34, and today it's at 1. And because it bottomed out, it formed a wedge. The bottom was in. And watch what I say. I say it's going to 50 to $1. Stock market selling off. It's down 612. Yeah, not every play is going to hit. Some might be fast hits, but all right. Let me get to the part. I'm gonna waste time here. Yep, the big 50 cent level. Crush that. 75 cents to $1. Yahtzee! You think 75 to $1? Look at the pattern here. See it? That's the pattern. A falling wedge pattern is going to break out. Now, sometimes they don't. Sometimes it'll just fade. Sometimes it'll go sideways or bounce straight up. Yeah, this one worked in a few weeks, and because the market too is hot, that's the main thing. If the market wasn't as hot, maybe this doesn't work. But it worked. Yeah, let me shut that off. So that's it. All right, let's move on to stocks. You can see here. Look at this. It's still going 135. Now, where's this going to go now? Yeah, there's that 150 level, maybe at the 2 level. All right, let's start off with TGC. All right, this is energy, oil and gas. 19 million market cap, income minus 2 million, sales 3.4 million, float 10 million. See no news recently. Founded in 1916, headquartered in Greenwood Village. Oil produces oil, natural gas, United States. 13 shut-in wells, 37 active disposal wells, 174 producing oil wells. So the monthly on this, this was up at 140, but there was a split and it came down from 05. You can see this all the way down. Look at this here. You have the 20 lines pretty big, and then it just flattened this thing. So if you move closer, a lot of spikes on this. But what you do see here is this 275 line. And you can see this low coming out now. And I would put this 50-cent line as very big. See this 50-cent line? And you can see the low. Look at this low building. So you can draw this low all the way up pretty much. This isn't a big volume stuff, but you can see the low. Look at this. 125. Big candle here, but it came back 150. You know, if this spikes, I'm looking towards right on that 275 line. This comes back, you know, watch for the 125 hold on TGC. So different kind of charts. This is a grindy, then a spike, and it's grinding up. We'll see what this does too. You know, anything's possible in the market right now. So we'll see how this plays out. New Base Therapeutics, 196 million market cap, minus 17 million income, 19 million float. They were headquartered in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Preclinical stage biopharmaceutical company focuses on development of therapies to treat rare genetic diseases, cancers caused by mutant genes. News lately, nothing really. All right, to look at this one, formed in 2009. This thing shot up to 400, but you had a split. So this is what I call the pyramid play: front side up, back side down, and that was in 2014. Then on the weekly, came up, came down. See this? Then we're flattening. We're just going down and down on this. So if you get closer here, put out a line here. Wow, this had a huge gap. I guess up here, this 42 line. Holy crap. Look at this 42 line. I don't see candles here. It's so tight. I can't see it. But that gap from 42, and this fell to this line here, this 8 line. Yeah, I'll take that line out right here. So look at that gap. That is an amazing, that's an amazing fall. And then you had a split here in 2019. Yeah, so back and forth we went up to 8. Now what are we doing here? Well, you had that previous move here to 1150. So yeah, this doesn't do volume at all either. Just pointing out, some of these stocks don't have great volume, but you know, if this does spike, watch for this 12 line. You know, right back here, that goes to 2018. See that spike? So right here, you see that? Then if we come back, moving closer, you want this 8 line to hold. There's a lot of congestion right here. Yeah, this isn't really good stock to trade. I mean, intraday you could, but it's more of just watching a move. Like, you know, this could turn into a bigger move, I'm saying. So we'll watch on this. I want this to hold down here this low. So NBSE, kind of a different stock, pointing this out. All right, ISON Technology, 134 million market cap, minus 1.7 million income, sales 18 million, 2.97 million float. Founded in 1972, headquartered in South Burlington, Vermont. Operates solar engineering, construction, and procurement contractor for commercial, industrial customers, northeastern United States. I don't even see news on this. So on the monthly, you know, this looks like it came about in 2016. You know, went to 10, had a big pop to 26, then flattened out at 2. See that big move up, then flattened out, and really exploded. So if you take the line down here, you can see this 2 line right down here. See this 2, that was 2019, 2020. And look at the spikes in here. Spike 20, April, October volume spike. It came down. Look at this flat descending triangle. Descending triangles where the high gets lower and the low holds. Look at that 6, and this thing took off. Big volume, 30 million. 10, you got the 32. It's pulling back now. Like I said, when you're far away from your 1320 EMA, look at the pullback. Yeah, this could go 20, maybe 18. We'll see. This could come here and bounce up. Again, we have to get back over 32 on this. When you make it run that high, we'll see what happens here. It's pulling back now, though. So you can see, this has been on a tremendous run. Look at that. All right, let's go to VTVT, last one. This is VTVT Therapeutics, 152 million market cap, income minus 14 million, sales 0.02 million, 14 million float. Nothing recent on news on this. Excuse me. Founded 2015, headquartered in High Point, North Carolina. Subsidiary of McAndrews and Forbes Incorporated. Clinical stage biopharmaceutical company, discovers, develops orally administered small molecule drug candidates to fill unmet medical needs. They have a lot of phases. I see a phase 2 here, a phase 2/3, another phase 2, another phase 2. Has license agreement with Hangzhou Economy, Handu Pharmaceutical, Nusura Biopharma, JDRF International, Nordisk, Columbia University. They in COVID space. Reading here, just trying to pick out any COVID words. I don't see it. Possibly could, though. Who knows? All right, the monthly on this, we started out, this jumped to 14 back in 2015. No splits. Came down sideways for about 3 years, bounced up to 8, and bounced down on the weekly. You see the sideways move to 8. We flattened out. Looks like a double bottom down here. 2018. Look closer here. This moved all the way down in 2018, and that was at like 65 cents. Bounced up, came back double bottom, bounced again. This was very volatile. Kept bouncing back and forth. Then found pretty much over 125 low. Bounced to this trend line. Kept going, but see this low kept holding, getting slightly higher. This gapped up December, then came back where we're at now is 2. So, on this, if 2 doesn't hold, you're probably going back to 175, 150 line. Watch that area for a bounce. And then after that, you want to get over this 225 line again and back up these levels. So this is very spiky. A lot of moves on this. See if I can take this out now. Probably put in this one line as good support. Put this down here. Trying to find that one line. And then down here I'm looking at, I guess this 4 lines, pretty big. See this 4 line because we touched so many times back here in 2018. Look at these spikes here and a spike here. So you can see we're caught between this, but many spikes in between. We're caught right down here in sort of that middle, sort of lower end. So we'll see what this does. If this goes down and wants to test this again, or we get a bounce up. So interesting chart on VTVT. All right, please subscribe to Mike Kamen Trades on YouTube. And let's see what else I got here. StockTwits, Mike Kamen Trades, a blog. Instagram, MikeFrank98, TikTok, MikeFrank.ii, Twitter, MikeFrank007, and TradeIdeas.com referral in my link. That's where I get a lot of my charting and scanning. Tremendous platform. You can get anything you want. You can set up penny stock movers, low floats, your gainers, your losers. You can check out. I have right here, I'll show you. This tells you exactly what the company is. The profile is float. You can put anything you want. StockTwits, institutions owned. You can see right here, GameStop. Look at this, 24 billion market cap. Floats 51 million. Institutions own 119%. There's Express. So you can see everything there. All right, we're out for now. Please like and subscribe. Peace.